Hi guys! Welcome back to Crafty Kids! In this video, we'll be seeing how to make a paper truck. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first for this activity, we need a square sheet of paper. So I'm taking green, you guys can take any color you like. So the first step is that we're supposed to fold the paper diagonally in half on both the sides of the paper like this. Step number 2 is that we're supposed to fold the paper in half like this. The next step is that we're supposed to unfold it, and I'm going to fold both sides of the paper to the middle line. So now we have to repeat the same step again, and we have to fold both sides of the paper to the middle line like this. So now I'm folding this paper in half. So after we complete this, I'm unfolding the paper and I'm folding both sides of the paper to the middle line. So we have to do this slowly. So after we complete this, I'm opening these two sides and I'm opening this paper as well, so that now we'll have a structure like this. And I'm just folding this paper on the top part like this, so that we'll have a structure like this. And I'm folding the paper to the bottom part so that we'll have a rectangular box on one side. So now we have to repeat the same step on the opposite side as well. So after we complete this, we have to fold it inside. So if we do this, we'll get a rectangular box. So I'm just going to be applying some glue on this part here. So after we apply some glue, I'm just sticking this part back in like this. So I'm just going to be repeating the same step on the opposite side of the paper as well. So I'm applying some glue. And I'm spreading the glue on the opposite side as well, and I'm going to be sticking this inside. So now I'm pressing on well so that it sticks. So after we complete this, I made another rectangular box of the same color. So you guys can replay this video and you can make this. So after we do this, we'll have two boxes. So now I'm just going to be applying some glue on the bottom part of this part. And I'm just going to be sticking this part. I'm going to be turning this paper and I'm going to be sticking it. So I'm just going to be turning it to the opposite side so that to make it more stronger, and I'm pressing on it. So we have to do this slowly. So after we stick it, the bottom part of our truck will be ready. So now I'm just going to be making a paper box. So I'm taking another square piece of paper and we're supposed to be making a box. So I'm folding the paper in half on both sides of the paper like this. So now we're supposed to fold all the four sides of the paper to the middle point like this. So now I'm folding any two opposite sides to the middle line here, and I'm unfolding it and I'm folding the other two opposite sides to the middle point. So after we complete this, I'm opening the box and I'm opening any two sides of the box and I'm folding both sides of the paper to the middle line here. So after we complete this, I'm taking the bottom part and I'm folding it to the top. Now I'm taking the top part and I'm folding it to the bottom. So now we have to repeat the same step on the opposite side of the paper as well. So after we complete this, I'm opening this part and I'm just folding the paper on the top to make a box, and I'm sticking the paper to the bottom. So you guys can apply some glue to stick this as well and to make it stronger, but I'm not. So now our box is ready. So I've already posted a video on my channel about how to make a paper box. You guys can look at that for more information. So now I'm just going to be applying some glue on the bottom part of the box, on the top part. So I'm just applying some glue on the corner parts and on the lines as well. So after we complete this, I'm taking this part and I'm sticking it onto the truck like this. So we have to stick it a little bit from the back part like this. So you guys can stick it on the back part as well, but it will be looking more beautiful if you stick it a little bit far away from the back. So we have to stick this well. So after we complete this, we have to cut out 4 black circles. So I already cut them out. You guys can cut them out slowly. So now I'm just going to be applying some glue on the back part of these circles. And I'm sticking them onto the truck. So you guys can cut them slowly. So now I'm going to be sticking the other wheel like this. So after we complete this, I'm going to be sticking the other 2 opposite wheels onto the opposite side. So I'm applying some glue and I'm going to be sticking this onto the opposite side. So now I'm turning the truck to the opposite side and I'm sticking them on the bottom part. So after we complete this, our bottom part of the truck will be ready, and I cut out a yellow rectangular strip of paper. So you guys can cut it out or you can make a different color as well according to the color you chose at first. So I'm just going to be sticking this onto the front part of the truck here. So I'm applying some glue in the back part of the truck. So we have to do this slowly. So after we complete this, I'm sticking this part onto the front part of the truck like this. So after we complete this, our paper truck will be ready. So this is a very easy way of making a paper truck and it's useful too. So you can play with this if you want. So you can add more info to this. I just made it simple so you guys can add more information and make it more beautiful. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So before I conclude, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video. Bye!